Hello everyone, so I will be reacting to the music video of Railway. And if you ask me, this is my most anticipated music video because Christopher has been teasing us in Bubble about the MV, and he keeps talking about the other members taking off their shirts and stuff. And honestly, I don't know what to expect now. So without further ado, let's watch it. I've been spoiled a bit on Twitter because I've been scrolling there and people have been tweeting about Railway and Christopher, and so it's inevitable for me to see those kind of stuff. But yeah, without further ado, let's go. Oh my God. Wait. Okay, full screen. Okay, when I click this, I'm gonna play it. Okay.
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight until
Oh my God!
it's only us for something saying please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me.
What?
Yeah, feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, right home.
Oh my God!
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Need no break, no breaks. This train.
Oh!
I'm late, it rains. As long
Oh
as
my
we
God!
hit on route, fear is dead, no doubt. Baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's what's running. We're staring at the
I wish I was.
just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto them railings. It's only us, but something saying more, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me, baby. I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
Christopher. Christopher! Christopher! That was so hot! Oh my God. This concept suits him so well, I don't know what to say. Oh. My heart is pounding like, I don't know, 400 beats a minute. This is crazy. Oh my god, hey, this could be like a whole ass movie. I'll fucking watch it. Like, Christopher! 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 Oh my god, like, I'm so glad that he's like doing the type of songs that he has wanted to like make since debut. Like, oh my god, Christopher, you did so well. Christopher, this is so good. I love it. 100 out of 10? 1000 out of 10? 1 million out of 10? Oh my god. I'm probably gonna rewatch this later again. Also, I'm gonna draw you. There's a lot of ideas going into my little brain, little smooth brain, and I'm gonna post it on Twitter. You did so well. Goodbye.